Welcome to No Case the Tech Gad, where today we're going to take you on an exciting journey into the world of GPUs. Whether you're a gamer, a creative professional, or just someone curious about how these powerhouse components work, buckle up because we're about to dive deep into the secrets that make GPUs the true game changers in modern computing. Graphics processing units, or GPUs, are the heartbeat of visual computing. From breathtaking 4K gaming experiences to ultra-realistic 3D rendering, GPUs handle the heavy lifting when it comes to graphics performance. But that's just scratching the surface. Today, we're going beyond the basics to uncover what makes GPUs not just essential, but revolutionary. So what's inside a GPU that makes it so powerful? Let's break it down. While your CPU is the brain of your computer, handling all general tasks, the GPU is more like a superbrain, optimized specifically for parallel processing. What does that mean? Instead of handling one thing at a time, a GPU can process thousands of operations simultaneously, which is why it's crucial for gaming, design, AI, and even cryptocurrency mining. But the real magic happens when you start using your GPU for more than just graphics. Thanks to technologies like CUDA and Tensor Cores, GPUs are increasingly being used for tasks like machine learning, deep learning, and scientific simulations. This shift has been a game changer, enabling breakthroughs in fields from medicine to astrophysics. Let's talk about specs for a moment. We hear terms like CUDA cores, clock speeds, VRAM, but what does it all mean for your performance? CUDA cores are like the tiny workers inside the GPU, processing all those graphical and computational tasks. The more cores, the better the performance. Simple, right? But there's more to it. Clock speed is how fast those cores can process tasks, while VRAM is the memory the GPU uses to store textures, models, and data. More VRAM means better performance in high-resolution gaming and more complex rendering tasks. For example, a GPU with 12 gigabytes of VRAM will handle 4K gaming or large 3D models far better than one with just 6 gigabytes. And when it comes to gaming, more CUDA cores and higher clock speeds mean smoother frame rates and faster load times. Gamers, this is where your investment in a high-end GPU pays off. With the latest GPUs from NVIDIA and AMD, you're not just getting stunning visuals. You're getting optimized ray tracing for realistic lighting, shadows, and reflections. Ray tracing is the future of gaming, and it's made possible by the powerful cores inside modern GPUs. Real-time ray tracing brings an unprecedented level of realism to your games. The light bounces off surfaces, casts shadows, and creates reflections just like in real life. And with DLSS, Deep Learning Supersampling, enabled, your GPU leverages AI to upscale lower-resolution images in real time, delivering crisp, high-resolution visuals without compromising performance. Now, if you're a content creator, the GPU isn't just for games. If you work with 3D animation, video editing, or graphic design, your GPU is your best friend. It accelerates rendering, encoding, and processing times, saving you hours on large projects. The time saved with GPU acceleration can make a massive difference in productivity, especially in fields like motion graphics and VFX. Imagine reducing a 12-hour render down to 2 hours, or editing 8K footage in real time. That's the kind of performance boost you get with a high-end GPU. So, how do you choose the right GPU for your setup? It depends on your use case. Are you building a gaming PC for 1440p or 4K gaming? Then you're going to want a card like the RTX 4070 or 4080 for that buttery, smooth experience. But if you're into heavy rendering or AI development, you might need the RTX 4090 or even a workstation-grade GPU like the NVIDIA A100. Think about your needs. For gamers, focus on core count, clock speed, and VRAM. For creators and professionals, you'll want higher VRAM and possibly features like NVENC for faster video encoding or Tensor Cores for AI tasks. The GPU is more than just a graphics engine. It's the key to unlocking performance across multiple applications, from gaming and content creation to scientific research and AI. Understanding how they work and what specs matter can help you make the right choice for your next build or upgrade. So, unleash the power of your GPU and take your experience to the next level. Thanks for joining us today on No Case the Tech Gad. If you found this deep dive helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech insights and breakdowns. Drop a comment if you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover next. And as always, keep pushing the limits of your tech.